Hello, today we are going to be cleaning out my car and detailing it very well. It's going to be completely transformed. So the first thing we're going to do is vacuum and wipe down the inside. Now we're moving on to seat shampoo. So I've been wanting to do seat shampoo for so long. I haven't shampooed my seats in years, so I really need it. Harvey, how do I work this?
You can work out this one standing, just hold it. Yeah, how do you take it back up? Over something, what if you're doing this? Straight it down the whole time. In there, brush it all in there. It's free soap.
Look at it. It's too far gone.
Looks like it.
Oh. This is why you need to get your seat shampooed. What? It's too far gone. All right, moving on. What are we doing next?
The exterior now.
The outside.
All of our brushes. So you have the detail brush in there. Scrubber for the tires, that's for the wheel face. We're gonna do one step at a time. Scrub the entire thing right there. Perfect. And with that same brush, get all the little lug nuts. I like to get all the surface first, like everything that's facing me, you know?
Ew, so dirty.
And then I like to scrub inside here. Look. See? Alright. And dry it. Spray a lot of this in there. Get some back there. The tire, just get the wheel, the rim.
You can just press the volume. Oh, maybe. Wow.
As I wash, you're going to decontaminate, okay?
What does that mean?
You're going to use this clay mitt.
Especially on the cold.
That was ugly. I'm gonna do a quick polish. So,
Polishing.
you got a deep scratch there. What's like? Can you see those swirls on camera?
It's glitching on camera.
Swirls, swirls, swirls.
We're gonna be putting a ceramic coating. It is now 6 o'clock and we're done with the car. Look how beautiful it is.
Yeah, little stain.
I know.
Don't touch it. Put ceramic coating on it.
Oh, yeah, smells very clean. Look how shiny. Well, I just wanted to let you know that I really appreciate that you stayed till the very end. And thank you for watching us clean my car.
Super slick.
Do it again. As it should. Look at all the leaves.
Look at
Oh.